What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from New York City.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two siblings.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school is science.
What sports do you like?
I like basketball and soccer.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you go to bed at night?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock at night.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What is your favorite place you've visited?
My favorite place I've visited is Paris.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is strawberries.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies are painting and playing guitar.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like rainy days.
What is your favorite thing about yourself?
My favorite thing about myself is my creativity.